Alrighty, today we have a 2018 Honda Pilot. I'll show you how to reset the oil life on really quick. So first things first, we're gonna turn the vehicle on, and it can be running or not running. It doesn't necessarily matter. It actually doesn't matter. So as you see, the maintenance light's on. So we're gonna go over here. You can hit home. It's gonna try to go to audio there. Settings. Vehicle. Maintenance info. Reset. There you are. Just like that. It's that easy. So I go here, should say 100%. So I hope this helped. You got what you needed done. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.